Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. While repairing this Sony 30x DSP CCTV camera, my secondary camera for video recording not started. So I cannot share the complete repair process, but in this session I am giving a short brief about the fault and how I fixed it. There was problem in this camera that when we apply 12 volt LED turning on, but there was no video. This was the problem in this camera. I opened it. 5 volt power supply for this Atmega 32 was missing. Schottky rectifier here was short circuited and capacitor here was short circuited. That caused to burn out the inductor here. 12 volt were reaching here, but it was not passing to this side. I removed that burned out inductor and I placed a jumper here. Now 12 volt are reaching here and I installed tantalum capacitor. Its original capacitor was also damaged in this shape. This was the condition of that capacitor. I took capacitor from another board, 15 microfarad 16 volt capacitor, and I installed a rectifier from this power bank circuit, and I found 5 volt at this capacitor, that is output capacitor. It is high frequency step down converter. It was really amazing that this rectifier damaged, but this converter was safe, and its input line capacitor was also damaged. Might be there was something wrong here that caused to make fluctuations and that damaged this diode. I think the problem was this capacitor. It caused to damage this inductor as well. After installing this rectifier, this capacitor, and making a jumper between these 2 points, the circuit started working normally. Now it is giving video. Before this there was no video. The other circuit is working nice. Camera module, its video processing circuit, remote interpreting unit, this MAX 485 for serial communication. Now this camera is working good. Its zoom control and focusing, all features are working good. Focusing, its motors are working good. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.